Okay, this morning a good friend of mine, since I posted on Instagram a little while ago, what's inside the box, asked me what's inside the box. So what's inside the box, woo, is a lot of old memories. Stacked up papers, Little League team, report cards. We'll go over that later. I did not do well in school. Photographs. This is my life. Me starting out as a little boy. Lots and lots of memories to go through, unpack. Family, me, my sister. Wow. Look at that face. Look at that face. That's me. That was 3 years old. Already heading to the beach. Hat, sunglasses. My sister there. I don't know where we were. Mississippi. What was I doing in Mississippi? I don't know. Lots and lots of memories. Me, junior high school, elementary school. I was I was a handful, I'm sure. But there I am. All of it. My whole life in a box. I don't know if you can relate to that. Report cards, class photos. Let's see, where am I? I think that's me right there. Yep, looks like me. Lots of memories. Notice of unsatisfactory progress. How old? 1972. That was 12, grade 7. Wow. Is failing in, needs to improve citizenship in. Too little effort. Poor work habits. Failure to follow instructions. Sounds like me. Excessive tardiness. 5 days. Anyways, that's what's inside the box. I hope everybody's having a great day, or partially. We'll get more into this soon. Have a great day, people. Good afternoon, and remember, it's an inside job.